Today we will take a new idea in our lesson powers. At the end of this video you will be able to write a decimal number in its expanded form and to write a standard form also. Let's start by the expanded form of a decimal number. We have this number, like you see, this number we want to separate it from each other. So at first we will look at it. We see that 2 is found in the hundredths digit, so it is from the hundreds. So we put it 2 times 100 plus 3. It is found in the tens, so we put it 3 times 10. 5 it's found in the 1th digit, so we put it as what? Plus 5. So 2 is in the 100 digits, so we put it, because of that we put 100. 3 is in the 10 digits, and 5 is in the 1. After the point now, we see that we have 3, 1, 4. Let's start by the 3. 3 is the first number found after the point, so we put it 0.3. 1 is the second number found in the this number, so we put it as 0.01. 4 is the third one, so we put it, it's ordered 3. So look, we have 3 is the first one, so we put 0.3 also is the first one. 1 is the second, or it's the second one in this number, so we put it as 0.01. 4, it is the third number, so its order here also will be the same, so we put zeros before it, 0.004. so the order must be the same. If we want to put this expanded form in as in the form of powers, as we took in the class, so we put it equal to 2 times 2 power 2. Since it's 100, we have 2 zeros. The number of zeros is equal to the number of power, like we said in the last video, plus 3 times 10 power 1, since we have only 1 zero, and plus 5 times 10 power 0, since we said that 10 power 0 is equal to 1, so as if we are not adding nothing, plus 3 over 10 power 1. Why we put here fraction? Because we start by the second part after the point, so we must here put the number as a fraction, so we put 3 over 10 power 1. We put 1 because the order of number 3 is the first number after the point, plus 1 over 10 power 2. Why we put 10 power 2? Because 1 here is the second order. Its order is the second in the number, so we put it as 10 power 2, plus 4 over 10 power 3. Since 4 is the third one, so we must put power 3. So don't forget to put the power of 10 after the point equal to its order in the number. Let's make more practice. Let's look at the second number and try to solve it alone. Then listen to me. We have here 4 numbers before the point. We have 5, which is the first number here, so it is in the thousands, so we put what? 5 times 1000. 6, it's in the 100, it's found in the 100 digits, so we put plus 6 times 100. 4, it is found in the 10th digit, so we put it as 4 times 10, and 5 in the 1, so we put as 5. So each one is according to its digit, we put the tens, 100, 1000, 10, and etc. Plus we put here 0.1 plus 0.08. We put 0.1 because it's the first number, the first one after the 0. 0.08 also we put it because it's the second one after the 0. So let's now try to write it in the form of a power of 10. It will become 5 times 10 power 3, since we have 3 zeros, plus 6 times 10 power 2, since we have two zeros, plus 4 times 10 power 1, we have 1 0, plus 5 times 10 power 0, we don't have any 0. Let's start now with the numbers after the point. 1 over 10 power 1, it's order number 1, plus 8 over 10 power 2, since it's order power 2. Let's see if the exercise was the opposite side. For example, if they give us the expanded form and we must put the standard form of a decimal number, what shall we do? Here we have 2 times 10 power 2 plus 1 times 10 power 0 plus 3 over 10 power 1 plus 7 over 10 power 2. The first thing that you must do it, and don't forget to do it, put dashes. For example, here we have 10 times 10 power 2, so we must put that 2 is found in the 100 digit, so we must put 2 and beside it 2 digits, 2 dashes, in order then to fill these dashes. So put 2 beside it, put 2 dashes. We have here plus 1 times 10 power 0. 10 power 0 means that it is in the 1 digit. So we know that here, that in the 10th digit we have no number. It is 0. So we put 2. In the second dash we put 0. And in the last one we put 1. Since we start by the fraction side, so we must here put a point, since we become after the point, so it is a decimal number. 3 over 10 power 1, 3 is in the first number because it has a power of 1, so we put it first. 7 is the second one, so we must put it the second one. Since why? Because we have 10 power 2. 10 power 2, we have the power 2, so the order of 7, it must be 2. To understand more, here we have this figure. Let's see it. First we have 2708. This number, in order to write it in its expanded form, we write 2 times 1000, since 2 is in the 1000 digits. 7 times 100, because 7 is found in the 100th digit. 0 times 10, because 0 is found in the 10th. You can write 0 and you can skip it. You can leave it without writing it. It's correct. 0, you can leave it. Plus 8 times 1, because 8 is in the 1st digit. Let's see another number, 372. 3 times 100, because it's found in the 100 digits, plus 7, which is found in the 10th digits, times 10, plus 2, which is found in the 1st digits, times 1. This is as a natural number, as a whole number. If you want to write in expanded form, a decimal number, so let's see how. This the big number, we will separate it before point and after point. Before point, we will write as the same as we did in the first one. We put 1 in the 1000, so we put 1 times 1000 plus 5 times 100 plus 9 times 10 plus 0 times 1. And again, you can skip 0 here. Let's start now by the numbers after the point. Here we have 3, which is it's the first one, so we put 3 times 0.1 because it's the first one. 6 is the second one, so write 0.01 times 6. Plus 2 is the third one, so write 2 times 0.001. Let's see the second number. 285. 2 times 100, 8 times 10, plus 5 times 1, it's easy. Plus 6 times 0.1, plus 7 times 0.01, because it's the second one in order in the number.